Hi, I'm Tessie Faye. I provide weekly videos to help you create a home that is welcoming, joyful, and peaceful. Every woman deserves to have a home that they love, but also a home that functions well for their family and functions well for their life. So today I want to talk about a topic that I love that creates a lot of headache for a lot of people, and that is buying furniture and why maybe you can't find that perfect piece that you're searching for, why you can never find that unicorn. When I'm buying furniture, I like to think of three things: time, money, and quality. Oftentimes we want our furniture we want to find it really quickly. We don't want to spend all of our time searching and searching and searching. We want to find it quickly. Money, we don't want to spend a lot of money. We want it to be inexpensive. And third is quality. We want it high quality and we want it to last. So these three things really are a unicorn. Like, to get all three of those things in a piece of furniture, it doesn't really exist. Really, we can only have two. We can only have two of the things. So you can decide which two: time, money, or quality. So if you want something that is really high quality, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, you want it to be inexpensive, then it's going to take you a lot of time to find that item. You're going to have to search for it. You're going to have to look at secondhand stores. You might have to refinish a piece of furniture. It happens, but it's going to take you time. If you don't have time and you want something that's high quality, but you want it to get it quick, then it's going to cost you a lot of money. It's going to cost you more money to get something high quality quickly. If you want something that is quick and inexpensive, then it's not going to be as high of quality. And sometimes that's just fine. I don't really care if it's high quality because I want it now and I don't want to spend a lot of money, so I'm going to go to IKEA. So anyway, just think about those three things: time, quality, and money. And remember that you can only have two of the three. So think about which two in this situation are most important to you. So that's one thing I always think about when I'm purchasing furniture. The other things I like to think about are, one, function. Function is the very most important thing. It has to function well for your family. It doesn't matter if you love it and it makes your heart sing. If it's not usable, if it's not comfortable, if it doesn't fit in your family lifestyle. So first thing you need to think about is function. The other thing you need to think about is scale. Make sure your furniture is in scale with the other furniture and also with the space in your room. Obviously, if you have a really big room, your furniture needs to be a little bit bigger in size. If you have a smaller room, your furniture needs to be a little smaller scale. If the scale is off between pieces, it's always just going to look something's going to be a little off and it's not going to fit right. Those are the things to think about when shopping for furniture: time, quality, and money. You can only have two of the three. And then also thinking about function and thinking about scale. If you can decide those things, you can really start to narrow down your search. If you are looking for some place to buy furniture, you don't really know where to go, where to look, I have compiled an online resource just for you. It's fabulous. It's my favorite go-to places to shop for furniture. It has places to buy furniture, home decor, rugs, lighting. So go check it out. It's completely free and you can get that PDF right where you're watching this video. All right, that's it for today. Have a great week and bye for now.